Hi, I'm Nate from FoamOrder, and I'm going to show you how to properly measure a rectangular cushion. So I have a sample cushion here that would be very typical of a couch cushion or a chair cushion in your house. And the first important thing to note when measuring is you want to leave the cover of your cushion on. When measuring, there are only 3 dimensions needed for a rectangular cushion. The width, which is from the side to side on the front edge of the cushion. The depth, which is from the front to the back, and the thickness. Okay, so I grabbed a tape measure, and now I'm gonna measure those 3 dimensions. It's important to measure from the seam to the seam of the cushion. So I'm gonna draw out my tape measure and tuck that metal edge right in with the seam, and then measure across the width. And note that the width here is 21 inches. Now I'm going to do the same thing for the depth. I also have a depth of 21 inches. And then finally, I'm going to measure the thickness. And here I have a thickness of 3 inches.